Ruhonge rwa kuramata wuigiririki barabara-ini NTSA no rithiete na mbere na guthagania mitaratara ya kuhukia kaimana mitino ya barabara iria ikoretwo ikihanika hakuhi oro muthenya. Mubango wa ica ikuhi ni urugoria wa mubango wa Vuka Salama unyitaniri-ini na thukuru wa muthingi wa Kimomori uria uri Kenol kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, ona gutuika ni ugutheremio mathukuru-ini mothe ma muthingi niguo gutigirira arutwo othe ni magia na umenyo wa gukira barabara magithie thukuru. NTSA iruguritie mubango uyu kumana na kuongerereka kwa mitino gatagati ka arutwo thukuru-ini uyu. Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru George Njau akiuga matanya ni gukinyira makiria ma mathukuru 1,000 iria iri barabara-ini nene guku Nairobi.
It's a shared responsibility. So we have got partners who are here with us who have been able to support us. Our team led by Bonabora from the regional office conducted training yesterday. And today morning we gave some demonstrations.
Los Ninos ni amwe a anyiti itemi aria makoretwo makirutithania wira na NTSA na nginyagia gukinyanira kwa mubango uyu wa Vuka Salama, makiuga mari na miario na ruhonge rwa waki wa mabarabara niguo kenha mekire daraca cia maguru cia gukirirwo ni andu.
We are intending to carry out enforcement especially from next week 21st from up to 20th of next month. So we are focused on these vehicles, and you will see from next week doing a lot of enforcement around, especially in all the counties.
Murutani munene wa thukuru uyu Peter Ruhonge augite makoretwo makiandika mundu wa guteithiriria arutwo gukira barabara.
Kuna mwanafunzi aliyepoteza maisha yake wakati alikuwa anavuka barabara, na hata siku hizi wanafunzi wetu wanapovuka barabara kuna magari ambayo hata tukijaribu kuyasimamisha yanakataa.
Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru gitaro-ini giki Boraguyo ni augite wici wa cuma iria ciekagirwo barabara-ini no ucangire na gikiro kinene kuongerereka kwa mitino ya barabara.
You remember last year we lost 4,370 live, and this year January we lost 422 already. So this is an alarming number, and as such we found that we have also joined this initiative about road safety.
Miaka iri mihituku aikari a Kenol ni matabanĩtie mũrũrũngano thutha wa mũrutwo ũmwe kũgũthwo nĩ ngari yatwarithagio na thibindi ya igũrũ gũkũ nacio ngari cia mĩraa ikiorotwo. Angela Kangethe ũmwe wa Los Ninos akiuga muoroto wao ni gutigirira arutwo ni mamenyererwo na oho mamenya mawatho ma barabara.
We intend to partner with the private sector to support this sponsor schools across the country. We also realize that now road safety has been mainstreamed into government MDAs, and they too, we hope to interest them in coming on board and supporting schools within their communities.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangoi wa Muirore.